Equipped for work. Everything for your workplace. Cadiz Fabric Visitor Chair. Features: luxury fabric visitor chair with attractive stitching detail, comfortable padded seat and backrest. A matching manager chair is also available. The Cadiz Visitor Chair is available in 3 fabric colours, suitable for a weight capacity of 110 kilograms, 17.3 stone, and is fire retardant to BS 5852. The chair has a 2-year manufacturer's guarantee for 8 hours per day use. Britain's best price, a great value visitor chair, available from stock and delivered flat packed or fully assembled on a free next day or day of choice delivery service from Equipped for Work. Everything for your workplace.